Dogelon Mars on the live stream. So we're gonna look at this a little bit differently. I actually have it up on TradingView right now. So we have support, I think. We're sitting on support. Yeah, so we have support here at 96, which we almost tagged. So that's still support on the downside, technically speaking, which actually we did tag. And then the target on the upside on the macro time frame is we need to break 21 to 34, which is actually the same as my DEX screener. So it's literally the same chart. I'm just redrawing it, and we're going to save it here. And then the next target on the upside, once we finally break this iron ceiling, is going to be 74. Which is one of my targets to sell. And the good thing about this is that I can actually do this now. So we can actually just do this together so you guys can see and know what the price action is as of right now. So from here to the 618 retracement, it's about 500%. From here to the 786 retracement, which keep in mind, don't be fooled. We could always make a lower high and turn bearish again. So that's 900%, which is still a good amount of money from where it's at right now. And then back up to the all-time high from the current position is almost a 20x. And then my macro target for Dogelon, as it's always been, not meaning that I'm going to hold my entire bag to that point, but I'm going to have some for this area, is going to be 402. So as of right now, we're going to kind of sit here. I'll save this here. And whenever we look at it, we can kind of see what it's doing. So I'm not going to be excited until we break 21 and 34 at this point on the macro time frame. And then on the shorter time frame, obviously we could always, look at it on the live stream and say 15 to 20 is resistance, and then 21 to 34 is resistance. The problem is when a coin's all the way down at its low, it has tons of resistance to break before we turn bullish. So as you can see, we're not bullish at all. I know the market sentiment is really bullish, and the RSI is over the moving average, and we have plenty of room to go up to before we hit overbought, and the stock RSI is max bullish right now, but the problem is the price action isn't reflecting that. So we're just in the waiting room, and we just have to wait. With that being said, I'll keep you guys updated. As always, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.